Nice! I will not be using that again. She does some on her forehead. Oh! Ah, my settings have adjusted. Who did that? Because it wasn't me. So I'm not going to be looking like this for much longer. In a couple of minutes, I'm going to be putting this on, which is probably the biggest waste of £35 I've ever spent. So I love doing these videos where I recreate someone else's makeup routine, just because most of the time, like with the case of the Kim Kardashian one I did a couple months back now, which you guys seem to really like, and I loved filming that. Their makeup routines are often very different to mine, and one that I watched recently on Vogue's YouTube channel, which is extremely different to mine, is the makeup routine of Doja Cat. If you don't know who she is a musician, singer slash rapper, and I actually first heard her music on TikTok. She's got loads of popular songs on there that people make all thing cringy dances to, but I actually quite like her music and I love her makeup routine because it is so different to mine. It's like an e-girl makeup routine. Please let me know down below whose makeup routine you want me to try next, because I'm sure there's loads out there on the internet. So if you want to see me literally completely transform myself, just keep watching. So this is the current wig situation. It's bad. Also, this is nowhere near the colour of her hair. I know that you're supposed to like glue the lace down, but let's be real, I'm only wearing this for the video, so it's not that deep. I'm gonna skip out the skincare part just because she does her whole skincare routine. I'm just gonna do the makeup bit, but instead of using a primer,
put an oil on top of your moisturizer. It holds it down all day. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's gonna make you look sweaty, but that's okay. And the oil mixes with your foundation and it makes it look a lot more natural. That's it. So that
already off to a great start. Put an oil on your skin and then the oil mixes with your foundation. So I'm using this, which was the only facial oil I could find that isn't like a night serum. This is the Mitchell & Peach Fine Radiance Face Oil. She drops it into her hand. Now what do I do?
First, with my makeup, I color correct. I take this concealer brush. I go in to this color corrector. This is by Becca Cosmetics.
I used to have the exact same color corrector as that, but I think I got rid of it in the last declutter that I did. I do have one very similar, which is by Soap & Glory. This is the Kickass Concealer, and I'm taking that peachy color
over my circles. I started doing makeup when I was 13. Wore a lot of eyeliner, a lot, like Amy Winehouse.
Then she blends it in with her beauty blender. Just while I'm doing my makeup, I'm gonna have to pin back my hair because it is actually driving me insane.
I do my foundation next, and I use Fenty, 2 pumps of that.
Okay.
And I do it across my cheeks, and then I just make sure I get it all over.
I would go in and use my Fenty foundation, but this one doesn't match me anymore. It's just sitting in a drawer. So I'm going to mix this with the Marc Jacobs Remarkable foundation in Bisque Medium. My Fenty is in 120. I've just realised these are the 2 most expensive foundations that I've ever bought. And wipe that all on there. Oh my god, I forgot that this is literally like the most full coverage foundation ever. Oh my god, I used way too much of the Marc Jacobs one. I forgot that it's literally like a mask.
I just keep building. Depending on how I feel.
Done that already.
I go over my eye, I go over my eyelashes, I don't go over my brows. So
Oops.
I put concealer. I use Fenty, so then I take it and I just make a little bow under my eye.
I also have my Fenty concealer, but again, this is way too light for me. Also the shade 120. She said that she makes a little boat under her eyes. Is that what she said? A little boat?
And then I do a little soul patch, like a villain, like a Disney villain. And
okay, then she's literally done lines like all up her nose like this.
Then I blend that out. The next step, this Laura Mercier powder is my daddy. So I go in with my sponge. So then I put that right just in the center, because I don't like when this is shiny. Everything else can be shiny.
Okay.
And I make sure that all of this is blended under here because I do have fine lines.
Same.
This fluffy eyeshadow brush.
Whoa, I've never used this powder before, but I got a little mini one in my ASOS advent calendar. And she uses her sponge, which I hate. Ooh, this powder is really nice. Oh yeah, by the way, my eyelids have had another allergic reaction, so that is why they look like this. That has made my under eyes look so smooth. I'm not gonna lie.
And then I press it in here. And this makes it so that none of that fine line shit happens.
Okay. I don't have a brush that's small that's clean, but I'm gonna do the exact same. Just like really press the powder in there.
We want like a very thin layer, but just enough to hold everything. I take this foundation brush, and it's kind of flat like that, and I go like this.
What? How many steps does she do with her under eyes? What is that gonna do?
Whatever's kind of left over, swirl that around, and just put that down.
Oh, she swirls it. Whenever I do that, I find that it literally like takes all my coverage off.
Close this, shake it, rub it. I take this, and I get a lot on my beauty blender, and I just...
Oh!
I just baked, and you can see I created a cheekbone.
Why did I wear a black jumper today?
I always contour with bronzer.
Me too.
Yeah, this is like every day for me. And I go under my lip, and this kind of creates like a shadow.
I don't have the Fenty bronzer, but I'm using the Urban Decay Beached bronzer. And she contours with her bronzer, which is what I do as well. She goes under her lip.
And then I go under my chin. I take it down into like my nose, but I start from here. Create that shadow.
Whoa, okay, this is going too fast. So she literally like just put that all in her eye socket. And then we don't see her take it down her nose, but then suddenly her nose is contoured. I'm so confused.
Next, I do my blush, and I just swirl it around. Okay, I get a lot on there too, because I like a lot. Tap it off, and just work on the edges, and I bring my blush up. Because I like a high cheekbone, I always make sure it's higher than lower. I just start packing it onto my nose, and I scrub it. I scrub my nose pretty much. I scrub it on the sides, I get under it, on the sides, on...
I thought I was using the same blush, but maybe I'm not. 1 second, I'm just gonna get a matte blush. This one is by Diego Dalla Palma, and it's the Frangipane Cheek Blush in 333, I think. Just looks like this. Right, so she gets it all up in her nose. Whoa, okay, that's really pigmented.
Onto my eyelids, because I watched an episode of this that Tinashe did, and she puts it on her eyelids. And then I take my bronzer, and I swirl it around. And I focus on my outer area because that just looks better on me. This is very watery, like a very liquidy blush. And I would take it, the tiniest bit.
Do we really need more blush?
Just pat it on my nose. And then right on top, you can also, what's great is you can put liquid blush on top of powder. I do my brows.
Can you? So the only liquid blush that I had is this one by Nip and Fab, which is in the shade Berry Bomb, and it is so bright. Oh my god, I can't put that on my face. Let me just literally like, why does she put liquid blush on her nose when she's already got powder blush on her nose?
I do my brows.
Like
a little Spock, like a mini Spock brow. Just a little angly brush, and I start shaping it. I just flick that out.
Okay.
It's kind of like eyeliner to me.
So I'm using the NYX Brow Pomade in the shade Brunette. So this next bit is the most confusing to me because I think her brows already look amazing.
Then this is my favorite part. I take my powder, and I shake it up, and then I put the powder over my brows.
Why?
I swear by this because I see girls with their brows and they'll do it and it'll be shiny and light will be reflecting off of their brows. It like deletes their brows.
I have never done this in my life.
When you mattify them, it just looks more real.
I mean, if it works for her,
color to come out.
we're gonna do it.
Then I take my brush and then I just start doing this little kind of beat. After I do brows, I do my mascara.
Such a random order.
Fire.
I'm not going to build it up as much on my top lashes because we are going to put lashes on in a minute. I'm not going to lie, I actually kind of love this look.
So this is Cover FX.
I have
like
this.
A cream highlight. I just put a little bit, and honestly I'm running out, so I just kind of have to scrape it off. And I put it on my nose.
Oh shit, I took too much.
Here, and it dries so fast, so you have to work really fast. And I focus on the part that I want it to highlight, and then I'm gonna just blend this out too. I got a little bit of creasing. So I take a cotton pad and I put any makeup remover on it. Oh, a little splash splash. Just go over the inside of my lips. I try not to go too much on the outside because I put blush there to sort of blend that out. I take this flat, dense brush and I blend that back in. I highlight my Cupid's bow as well.
What?
So I just put a little bit, and I do my chin as well. I do a little bit there, and I really try to blend that because that can look crazy sometimes. You can bring the blush onto the top lip and just work that upward, and then maybe a little at the bottom, and it can kind of make you look like you had a popsicle or something.
This is what I'm confused at. She does her liner after mascara.
This is the scary part. This is where everybody starts sweating. But I basically take this, make sure it's nice and wet, and I just kind of create an angle first. I like to create like a triangle, like a wing, suspend it and then connect it just like this.
Okay.
I make sure that everything is even. I measure, and I also pray to God.
You know, I'm not the biggest fan of this eyeliner. Why did I pick it? I will not be using that again.
I love a blushy red look.
Really?
I just take my blush, and then I take it, I swirl it, and I work it into
She already did that.
creases. I just take this, work it, work it, work it.
She did that already.
It just makes you look cold. I have a smaller eye. So.
Why did she not do this step before her mascara? This is stressing me out.
Okay, so I have a lash line, and it goes by Icy Wifey Cosmetics. It's like a spaced out sort of doll-like lash. I have a smaller eye.
I am using my Unicorn Cosmetics Bubble Pop lashes. Okay. You know what? I'm going to do the other one off camera because I will be here for like 10 minutes.
2 bottles of it because they're way too small.
Oh, I have one.
Okay, these are called Freck. So I take this and I shake it up.
I have the Lottie London dupe of this.
Pick it up and then you just boom. And it's so easy.
I can do that.
And you just kind of put it down. Leave some of them darker than the others. Sometimes I do my forehead so I can be like this.
She does some on her forehead. Oh!
This is just a loose eyeshadow. And it looks like this. But then it goes on like this. And it kind of reflects a blue.
Why is she doing
but
it?
then also like a deep pink.
Why is she doing this step now? On top of her liner and lashes and mascara, and I'm confused. The closest thing I have to this is pretty dried out. This is the Barry M holographic eyeshadow topper in Stardust, which is a purple sort of colour. Is this even gonna work or is it too dry? Oh no, that looks pretty similar to hers. Wow, okay.
So for a lip, I can do like an ombre. So I take this sort of deep mauve and then feather that out a little bit. And it should look like that, like you're not really wearing anything. So then next, I'm doing my hair. Ignore my hairline.
This is a bit light, isn't it? One sec. This is the Revlon Ultra HD lip colour in HD Forever. Right, so unfortunately I can't curl this wig because it will probably melt.
We did a little peacock moment on the eye.
I actually really like the overall makeup look. Me and this wig were just not meant to be. So even though the wig is terrible, I'm actually in love with the makeup look. It's extremely different, but I really like it. I love the freckles. I love the blush on the nose. Right, I'm just gonna find a question of the day. If you guys wanna ask me a question, leave it down below with the hashtag question of the day and I might shout you out in my next video. Today's question comes from Molly Dyke and she has said, if you had to pick a reality show to go on, what would it be? E.g. Love Island, I'm a Celeb, Strictly, etc. I love you so much, Soph, and I hope 2020 continues to bring you so much happiness and success to you. Ah, thank you so much, that's so sweet. My camera just died, I just had to go switch the batteries, but okay, first of all, my answer would be none of them. First of all, I don't think I'm definitely not like relevant enough to be on a reality TV show because, you know, I'm not like a celebrity. Obviously non-celebrities can go onto Love Island, but I'm in a relationship. I'm very happy. Love Island would probably be like my worst nightmare, I'm not gonna lie, even if I was single. I think if I had to pick one, I would probably choose, I would say I'm a Celebrity just to see if I could challenge myself, but I'm not actually sure I could do it. So I'd probably say Strictly? I don't know, to be honest. I don't like, I'm not like, I love watching reality TV, but I don't think I'd actually want to be involved with it, if that made sense. Right, I'm gonna leave this here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was actually so fun. I love doing these like different kind of videos and different makeup transformations. If you like this video, it would be a massive help if you gave this a thumbs up. If you are wanting to see more of my videos and you want to subscribe, you can do that too. I hope you're all good and I will see you in my next video. Bye!